Welcome back to the channel, glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how to grow pea microgreens in soil. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step process on how I grow my pea microgreens in soil. It's a really straightforward process. It requires minimal equipment and it can be done at home. You can also get the children and the family involved in it, and it would be a great activity to help them learn life lessons in terms of the life cycle of plants. You can also, get them to learn about sustainable living as well. And I'm going to cover a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Now, in the previous video we talked about the pea microgreen benefits as well as some side effects that you need to know about in terms of what groups of people need to stay away from pea microgreens. So it's really important for you to check out that video linked in the description box below. Now, what would you need to start this? Well, you would need pea seeds, preferably organic. I just simply go to the store. I get my pea seeds, the ones in the food legume section as well. I just get these normal ones, and then you need growing trays, or you need shallow containers with drainage holes, and you need organic potting mix or seed starter mix. A spray bottle for watering is best, and plastic wrap or humidity dome would be optional. A watering can if you don't have a spray bottle. Now, the first step is to prepare your soil. So fill your growing trays or containers with organic potting soil and or seed starting mix, leaving about half an inch of space below the rim. And then you need to prepare the seeds. So I just honestly rinse the pea seeds through under cool running water to remove any debris, and I soak the seeds in water for about 8 to 12 hours or overnight, and this really helps to soften the seed coat, and it encourages better germination and faster growth as well. And also is important because it also removes the oxalates in the peas as well. Now, one of the side effects we talked about in the previous video was it does contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones. So if you soak the pea seeds overnight and you add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, this will really help to remove as much oxalates as possible from the seeds. And the next step is, after soaking them overnight, you're going to sow the seeds. So you can spread the seeds evenly over the surface of the soil in your trays or in your container. And I want you to aim for a dense but not overcrowded layer of seeds. Gently press the seeds into the soil to ensure a good seed to soil contact. And then you're going to cover the seeds, which is an optional way. So if you desire, you're going to cover the seed tray with a thin layer of soil or plastic wrap to really maintain moisture and humidity levels during germination, and this creates more of a greenhouse effect. Alternatively, you could also use a humidity dome if your trays have one. And then you're going to water the seeds. So you're going to use a watering can or a spray bottle. You're going to moisten the soil thoroughly without soaking it. So be careful not to dislodge the seeds. Keeping the soil consistently moist throughout the germination process is really important. And then you're going to provide light. So you can place the trays in a location with indirect sunlight, or even under a grow light, which I've got indoors as well. That's been working great in terms of providing the growth for my indoor plants during the winter time. So the pea microgreens require adequate light for healthy growth. A sunny windowsill or a spot under fluorescent or LED grow lights works best as well. And then I want you to monitor and water regularly. That's it. So check the soil moisture daily. Water is needed to keep it evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely because this can really hinder germination and growth. And then we have come to the harvesting phase. So pea microgreens typically reach harvest size in about 10 to 14 days, and once the shoots are a few inches tall or have developed the first set of true leaves, they're ready to harvest. So use clean scissors to snip the microgreens just above the soil level, and then you're ready to enjoy. You're going to rinse the harvested microgreens under cool water to remove any soil, to remove any debris. And then you're going to pat them dry gently with a paper towel. The pea microgreens add a fresh, nutritious boost to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and many more recipes as well that I'll be sharing with you. I wish you all the best. Take care and have a great day.